Unlock global sales by integrating Payoneer with your WooCommerce store in just a few simple steps. First, ensure you have the Payoneer WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, hover over WooCommerce, and click on Settings. Within the WooCommerce settings, select the Payments tab. Here, you'll find Payoneer listed as a payment gateway. Click on Manage or Set Up next to the Payoneer option to configure it. This is where you'll input your Payoneer account credentials. You'll likely need your merchant ID and API keys, which you can obtain from your Payoneer account. Log into your Payoneer account and navigate to the Developer or API Settings section to retrieve these crucial details. Carefully copy and paste your merchant ID and API keys into the corresponding fields on the WooCommerce Payoneer configuration page. Ensure accuracy to avoid connection issues. You'll likely see an option for API mode. Start with test mode to ensure everything is working correctly before switching to live mode. You can also customize the payment title that appears to your customers, such as Pay with Payoneer or International Payments. Once you've entered all the necessary information, make sure to enable the Payoneer Payment Gateway by checking the box next to it. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply your new Payoneer integration. Now, when your customers proceed to checkout, they will see Payoneer as a convenient payment option, ready to facilitate their global transactions.